Do you need a high-quality complex pattern engraved on a thin, unusual material or an uneven surface? Do you require lots of them to be made up for you quickly? Before laser engraving existed, this would have been a difficult order to fill. However, thanks to today's laser technology, this and more are doable at an affordable cost. Some of the benefits you can expect with laser engraving include: engraving patterns are made by vaporizing material with a precision laser beam. The process doesn't suffer from the limitations of mechanical cutting tools, which wear out and become dull with use. Such wear reduces engraving quality. The laser is computer controlled to assure accuracy. This means the engraving will exactly match your specifications, and multiple engravings of the same pattern will be identical. Laser engraving is an automated process that isn't involved down by the need of cutting tool replacement or the labor-intensive manual cutting of traditional techniques. Finally, detailed complex patterns, once considered unfeasible, are engraved quickly and efficiently. What might have required weeks to engrave is doable in a few hours. Laser engraving works with a wide variety of materials of varying degrees of thicknesses. These include metals, coated metals, stainless steel, carbon steel, and plastics. The process isn't limited to flat surfaces. Patterns can be engraved on rounded, uneven, and other complex surfaces of 3D objects. Lasers can engrave patterns in areas that are hard to reach by other techniques. If you have never used laser engraving, understand that it opens up a wide range of possibilities you might not have considered. For example, it's used for cabinetry, signs, gunstock patterns, barcodes, logos, and data plates. Because the technique readily handles intricate patterns, ordinary objects can be transformed into works of art. Use the many benefits of laser engraving to differentiate your products from your competitors. Contact us today to learn more. Laser technology can be used with excellent results, not only in the welded sector, but also in the cutting, engraving, and marking of objects. The laser, in fact, allows you to act on a vast repertoire of objects by removing small quantities of material, thus making an incision, or even to cut metals of different thicknesses, obtaining precision results and particular aesthetic effects in a short time without risk to damage or deform the different parts of the treated object. Laser marking exploits the peculiarities of the laser to obtain precise and rapid results. The laser beam emitted by the marking machine is in fact conveyed to a small part of the surface of the object to be engraved, marked, or cut. Here, the laser beam transforms energy in the form of heat to the material that composes the object. In this way, an incision is created, the depth of which can vary according to different needs. Thanks for watching. Until next time.